everyone. My name is Dr. Benaisha Poole-Lewis, and I am the owner of the only woman-owned, minority-owned financial institution based right here in Dallas, Texas. We are a non-depository bank. So what does that mean? We do not accept deposits right now. We are in the business of lending money, access to capital, which is what we lack in our community.
And when you say capital and access, why is that so important to our community and new home buyers or first home buyers?
Yes, so access to capital is so important, and the reason why it's important is because 50% of minority loans are consistently and systematically denied across the country. So what does that mean for you? That means that if you apply for a loan, most likely you'll either be denied. And if you are not denied, the other 50% are despaired. And that means that they're not treated fairly. And that's just what it is. And so I created a financial institution. I'm the president of MFS Corporation. And what we do is we not only help minorities, we help all people. It's not just for people of color, it's for everyone. However, we have an affinity, we have a special focus directly to help minority people who are looking for home ownership, whether it's your primary residence or an investment property, as well as anyone doing commercial real estate business. What is commercial real estate? That's the building that we're in right now doing this interview. That's land that you want to buy and develop. Maybe you had land passed down to you from a generational environment. If you own a hotel, if you want to buy a hotel, you want to buy apartment complexes, fix or flip, everything that you can do in the space of real estate, we can finance it. We finance up to $650 million per transaction. That's a big number. That means a lot. That means that any type of project that is coming to us, we can get it financed. If it's over $650 million, we can finance it up to 650 million times. So there's no number that's too great. If you have a space for maybe fixing and flipping or buying something and renovating it, we can also help you with that. And then we have a department for businesses. If you're an entrepreneur or aspiring entrepreneur, if you'd like a term loan to help motivate your business and fund your business, maybe you're in the trucking industry and you need more equipment, maybe you're a hairstylist and you need to make a bigger environment so you can do hair, maybe if you own a clothing company and you want to scale your business and grow, business funding is the way to go. We fund up to $650 million for business funding as well. And then last but not least, we have an international leg. The international department funds up to $650 million outside of the U.S., the entire continent of Africa, the entire Caribbean, the entire South and Central America, Dubai, Asia, Europe, you name it. There's a presence for us to help you, inspire you, and also purchase real estate in all forms and fashions. So, with that being said, next year is going to be very prolific for us because we're already depository, which means that we give money out, we lend, we don't accept deposits. But next year, we are going to be the first minority-owned, Black-owned, woman-owned, veteran-owned depository bank right here in Dallas, Texas. That depository bank will be able to do checking and savings accounts as well as merchant services, which is credit cards. And we're going to scale and grow, but we're going to have some unique features that most banks don't have. And so it's a lot of opportunity. I can go on and on. I love what I do. I'm very passionate. But the goal is to help you, not to help me. It's to help you learn. It's to help you get better. It's to help you get into that first-time home. It's to help you get into a program that best fits your financial scenario. And in a way that's fair and equitable and done in a manner that pleases the customer and not despair the customer.
So with all of that being said, congratulations on everything that you're doing and that's to come for your business. What inspired you to be involved with DU4G?
Yes. So Dallas for Good, Dallas United for Good is an important foundation that I became accustomed to and I learned about last year when I spoke at the TMC, the team,
Motivational Conference.
Yep, the Team Motivational Conference, and I was introduced to them, and from that point I knew that Dallas United for Good was an organization that I wanted to continue to be a part of. I am so pleased and honored to be able to be the keynote speaker this year. But next year we're going to bring some more valuable things to the table, and hopefully we're able to give away some scholarships to some people in the audiences and some students who are going through the program.
And what does it mean to you to give back to the South Dallas community specifically in a moment like this?
Yes. What giving back means to me is that whatever we acquire, you don't get blessed until you give back. We can't die with all the information. You know, when you hoard information and you gatekeep, it's no benefit to no one. You have to be able to the others behind you. That's the whole point of having life. You have to better the next generation so they can better the next generation.